Um, didn't trade on today, October 19th, but this is a replay of my live session of October 18th. Yeah, let's dive into. Only took one step today. Something I've changed this time is I actually have a notepad out and I try to give myself a third perspective view of the market to tell me like the overall context. I want to actually something I want to do like to avoid many of my losses is actually have a third perspective view of the market, like the current context intraday. Give me a bigger picture of intraday, and also I want to follow my plan, like take trades that are from my plan. Right, wait for a trade to come to my level that I planned for, and then just trade there. Obviously, you want the setup to align with your plan. So just want to yeah, I was like leaning bearish because open below yesterday's single from the rally. So far, no test of opening range low. So I didn't want to short. Right, we gapped down. No, we didn't gap down. Sorry. So we pushed up. Right. Yesterday was a rally. This is a push up single form. Today we opened below it. It's kind of like a bearish type thing. And but also it's kind of difficult to read in my opinion. I was actually having a hard time read, so I just stayed put, not do anything crazy. So I was leaning more bearish, but no opening range low test. Test a couple times, sellers fail. Sling pushed up. I was like, okay, watching the end of the single 80, but we just like consolidate, push up. And then was watching. I was like, okay, I'm not fighting the trend because that was really strong, right? I was like buying an open range high here, waiting for a retest of 47 buying, but I was like, it's a strong push up, strong selling back down. I'm like, possible lower high, so I didn't take any trades. Like this retest here, lower high. I was like, okay, I'm not taking that trade. Let's see what top. I was like, chop, still looking for lower from here. This is a chop. We did hit the low, they failed. I was like, yeah, this is just a chop. It's really hard to trade anywhere here in the middle. And basically, I was just watching this lower high. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I was like, that's like, I want to be bullish. I can't be bullish. I want to be bearish. I can't be bearish because push down, right? I was like, I want to lean bear, but sellers so far failed overnight. That's a nice third perspective view of the market intraday. So far, we pushed the high. Another fail here. I was like, okay, we failed once, failed twice over. I'm like, okay, I'm not even gonna short this at all. So you can see I highlighted it. Only fade edges, right? So far, one edge, two edge, three edge, four edge, push up, come back down. And the right in the middle here is bullshit. Like here, I was like, okay, we fade back inside. I want to short this, but nope. We consolidate, we break above, hold it, push higher. So yeah, and then rally all the way up. Nice selling. So back down. And I was like, if here we fade back into the range, probably gonna go test new low, which we did, right? Fade back into the 66, go new low. But so let's look at the trade I took though. It's basically just watching the low here. Alright, let's watch this new low. 21.75 new low. Nice impulse to 09. Let's see if we hold it. Okay, nice new low. Another kick down right there. Nicely done. Buyers bidding it so far, 100 something to sell there. Still holding it. Not really much continuation. Another 22 to sell. 27. Right, 48 to sell. Still holding it. Buyers still rebidding these 10, 11. Another nice little seller tried there again. Another 44 to print at the low. I was like, yeah, I'm longing this. I saw that. I saw that 44 to print at the low and instantly push up. Part of the last few from sellers. So I took a short. And for my trades to work, I want to on this back over the overnight low, 24. Almost gave me 30 point, but didn't. Testing the low again. See what happened. 10 point stop loss, right? $46 to buy alone. As long as these 10, 11 bid, we're good. 77 to sell. Another push down right there. Let's see if we can bid back above these 70s, like these 10s, 11. No. Pushing it low. Guess you could say I got in a little bit too early, right? 20 to sell at the low right there. Let's see, bid back nice. Bid back above these 11. 10, 11. Nice bid back above it. If I would have moved my stop loss 8 points, 7 points, I would have got stop out, right? This trade. I was like, I really like this guy bidding above these now. So, okay, watching. And I even added another contract because I really like this trade. Okay, some buying and selling activity there, not much. Like I said, plan is to work is need to get back above 24. Some sell, pretty slow auction now. From what I've seen at the lows, and then we're just consolidating these 11 rebidding, which is gonna be good. Okay, nice 17, pushed up. Trade is so far working for me, not too much to be worried about. Okay, 19, like I said, need to be 24, right? Some selling up there. I didn't really like this. That rejection and instantly pushed down, but I saw then I saw the 60, 69, so 81 to sell at 11, right? This 11, 12. I was like, okay, as long as we bid above these guys, we're gonna be good. Yeah, trap these sellers. Okay. Still kind of consolidating. Don't really like. I don't mind failing this, losing this trade. So far, still working for me. Not bad, not bad. Okay, buyers coming back in now. golden, nice push up. I really like this setup right now because we're above that 12, like that 80, 90 something selling. Another 41 to sell there. I was like, okay, 51, 34 to sell. Sellers trying to push it back down. You just can't. An ability to. I was like, all right, I really like this. So I wanted to add, to be honest. I was like, I'm looking to add. Now we're testing that 12 again, 1175, 12. I added one more after we saw that. I saw that bid holding. And stop loss basically 10 points though for. Yeah, you saw that 18 to sell again. I'm like, okay, this trade is probably gonna work now. Just seeing these sellers keep piling themselves in there and they're getting trapped. So 24, right? Nice bid back above 24. Nice bid. Keep bidding higher. I took one off. Plus like 17, 18. And then, yeah, I was being a little bit stubborn. I almost got my 40-point scale. I almost got my 30-point, like 3R scale, but didn't, right? Miss it by like 2.5 point, 3 points. So, yeah. And then the rest of them just took them off. Pretty weak. Yeah. Just took them off. Yeah. These are the scales. And then, yeah, if we fail this, probably gonna go new low. And that's what happened. So, good that I got out, but I think I could have scaled some. Just fighting a strong trend. Traded my setup, so it wasn't that bad. So let's right now look at the setups that I miss. Overnight low, 24. Break it by a point. Break it by 1.5 point. Instantly push up, but that's selling. I want to see some rebid, but I didn't see the rebid I wanted, to be honest. 26, 26, 30 something to sell. Seller trying to see. You can tell the aggression from seller, but just inability to test, even test the new low. Instantly bid up. Yeah, could have took 33 or some shit. Yeah, I could even chase this 10 points higher, but didn't. And then next time we come back and test, we did come back and test these low though. One of the setup I really like here was the um selling at 66 here. One time, two time, break above and fail. Right, one time, two time, break above and fail. Come back here and test these for a fade, which happened. Watching these 68 VWAP. Okay, some decent push there. So 1931 to buy. Let's see what happened here. A bunch of buys. Right at VWAP again. Bunch of buys. Sellers step in there. Could have taken a short anywhere around these 62s, but now we're just strong selling. Then we just sell off. And here we test overnight low basically. Watching that previously, the 24, 22 and a half. Nice kick down. 27 to sell, instantly bid up. Look at these volume, instantly piled in. The aggression, we just instantly bid back above it. Didn't give me a chance to enter, but this one was good. Let's say over here you didn't like that, we didn't sweep as much, but potentially was buy here, seller fail, which means there's buyer, right? We push all the way up, had a trend, decent trend. Now we come back down to test this previous buyer level. Strong sell, kick down, saw that volume 20, 20, 30, 30, 30, 40 something pile in. We just rip. Yeah. Just it. I also want to review this trade, to be honest, because this was a really good one. Okay, let's see, sell. I was watching this dev here, this possibly if we get a lower high in a dev, and then also had a weekly VPOC right there. Definitely a level watch, but I was like, I'm finding a trend, so I didn't take it, which was a good thing. Wasn't really my setup at all as well. Not doing much. Couldn't really test a new high. Lower high possible at dev. Yeah, those were just a setup and then this just sell off. To be honest, when I saw that selling coming in, right? These strong selling and we're holding below these strong selling. Right? Strong sell, push up. Could take it anywhere here, and then as long as we fade back up below these 66, can dump new low, which it did.